If you don't do it, someone else will. That's not a quote, that's a fact. And the most embarrassing part, you're completely okay with it. You wake up, you scroll, you tell yourself you'll start later. And while you're preparing, someone else is already doing the thing you keep thinking about. Someone else is training their body while you train excuses. Someone else is making films while you watch interviews about filmmaking. Someone else is building a life while you collect motivation like it counts as progress. They're not smarter than you. They're not more talented. They just moved, and you didn't. And here's the ugly truth. The world doesn't care that you meant to. Dreams don't wait for confidence. Opportunities don't pause because you're scared. Every day you don't act, you silently vote for someone else to take your place. Your spot, your idea, your life. And the scariest part isn't that someone else will do it. It's that years from now, you'll watch them succeed and tell yourself you were almost ready. If you don't do it, someone else will. And you will still be exactly where you are, watching.